We do all engine repairs, whether it's replacing the engine or maybe a water pump, power steering, any component on the engine, tune-ups, fuel injection services, gaskets, any gaskets in the engines. We're always, again, when we're doing oil changes, we're always looking at that stuff for you. We're documenting it with AutoServe and pictures. If you have an oil leak, you're going to get a really good picture of it and showing exactly where it is and how bad it may look, and along with an estimate what it'll take to fix it if it needs to be fixed, right away or what.